Be kind. Yes, be kind to everyone you see because you never know who is fighting a battle. Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome, and welcome to another series of Shaunz Says. Now if you're not familiar with this series, I started this about a week ago and it's going to be about my views on celebrity happenings, like, you know, what celebrities are wearing, their makeup, their outfits, and also trending topics that are hot off the press, and so on and so forth. So if you have not seen the first series, I'm going to link it up here. So you can go have a look. The first one I did was about Nicki Minaj and her outfit and makeup for her maternity shoot. And I told you my thoughts on that, so go ahead and watch it right there. Yes, go ahead and watch it and let me know your thoughts as well. Also, let me know your thoughts on this series. Let me know if you are enjoying it so far and all that good stuff. So guys, today we're going to be talking about domestic abuse or domestic violence. I've been sort of following the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case, and this is why I decided to come here and give you guys my views on it, because it is so distressing. It's so distressing to see that, well, I don't know if these things are true. These are all allegations, so I can only speak from saying allegedly, because I don't want to get myself in trouble, because I do not know what happened in their relationship. But from what I've heard on the news, it's very distressing, and it's distressing to know that people have to deal with these things and people have to go through these things. My stance on domestic abuse, domestic violence is it's not okay, and you just never know who is going through it. And it's very, very sad to know that sometimes it's people who you know, people who you love, people who you see all the time, they're going through it and they're so silent about it. They never say a word, because sometimes, you know, kids are involved, you know, businesses are involved, monies are tied up and all that, and all of that. So sometimes it's very, very difficult. But domestic violence is not okay. And watching this case on the news, it's also on social media as well, watching this on the news is very, very distressing. I just don't know. I just don't know what's happening. So I'm just hoping that everything will be sorted out and dealt with accordingly. Now, people don't realize that domestic abuse is not just physical. It's also mental, it's emotional, it's psychological. It happens to a man, it happens to a woman. It's not just a one-way street. People sometimes get it wrong. They get it twisted, thinking that, oh, it's just done to a woman. No, it's also done to a man, and it's not okay for either party. It's not okay for a man to beat up on a woman, and it's not okay for a woman to beat up on a man. Vice versa. It is not okay, and it needs to be dealt with. And if you are in a relationship, an abusive relationship, try and find a way of getting out, because it could end up really, really badly. You know, you don't want to lose your life over. Just get out of it. If you can, seek help in whatever way you can. It's difficult, especially if you've been in a relationship with a person for a very long time. And as I said, kids are involved, businesses are involved, monies are involved. It's very, very difficult that way. But would you rather to die than to just sometimes count your losses? Think about it. So yes, guys, as I was saying about the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, you know, case that's going on right now, you know, what I've been hearing, the sordid details of this relationship and what's been happening, it's been really, really distressing and heartbreaking. And for anyone to be going through this, it's not good in any way. It's not good for anyone, as a matter of fact. So as I said, and I'm going to end this video real quick, because there's not a lot I can say about this, rather than to just say, if you are caught in a relationship, an abusive relationship, try and get out of it as quick as you can. If you see signs of, you know, someone wanting to abuse you, try and seek help, confide in someone, call a hotline or something, try to get out of it. Try to get out of it before it gets worse, because you don't want to be caught in or trapped in a relationship where it's becoming more and more abusive. And as I said, it's not just physical. You can be abused mentally and psychologically and emotionally as well. So if you see signs of these things, just try and get out as quick as you can. Sometimes it's easier said than done, but you know, it's going to be good for you as a person who might be experiencing it. It's going to be good for you in the long run. So if you can find a way of getting out of it, please do, because you don't want it to get worse, and it will escalate. If someone does it to you, you know, and you allow it, basically it will continue. So if you are trapped in a relationship like that, please try and get out. And I'm talking to a man, I'm talking to a woman, I'm talking to anybody who is trapped in, or should I say caught up in, an abusive relationship. Domestic violence needs to stop. We need to put a stop to it, and we need to start, well, we should have started a long time, but we just need to speak up more about it and let our voices be heard. I know a lot of people out there are going through situations like this, and they're so scared, and I understand, because it's not easy, especially if you've loved the person. It's not easy, but where there's a will, there's a way, and you can get out of it. Just try and seek help and speak to someone who you can confide in, and somebody who is willing to help you get out of a situation like that. If you have any thoughts on domestic violence, please let me know in the comment section down below. And I want to hear your thoughts. I want to hear what you guys think about it, and I want to know if you have any, you know, any tips that you can offer to anyone who might be experiencing this. If you have any tips, go ahead and drop them in the comment section down below, because lots of people out there are looking for help. A lot of people out there are looking for advice, and if you have any tiny bit of anything you can help someone with, go ahead and reach out. You can reach out on my platform in the comment section, as well as you can always DM me on Instagram, and you know, let's have a chat as well. I'm always open. So yeah, that's basically it for today, guys. I do hope you found this video sort of, you know, more eye-opening and helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you found this video helpful in some way. As I said, if you are in the situation, or if you know someone, go ahead and try and reach out in some way to assist. So yes, that is it for today, guys. I do hope you enjoyed another series of Shaunz Says. Let me know your thoughts, and a subscribe button is right there. Turn the notifications on as well, and give me a thumbs up if you like this sort of thing. And of course, share this video, because it will, I'm sure somebody needs the help to hear this. So go ahead and share this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on a next series of Shaunz Says. Peace out.